In high school, my senior year, I played softball and I was given a catching lesson. I broke my ankle, and first day that I was on crutches, I flung myself down the stairs, and the very first thing that hit was my front teeth. So I knocked out, chipped, cracked all front 6 of my front teeth. My first reaction was, I'm never gonna look the same again. I was seeing a lot of blood, no teeth. It was scary. That was at about 8 o'clock at night, and I waited until 7 in the morning. Dr. Collins met me up here, and I was in here from about 7 to 4. I did not think at first that I could leave the very next day with what he had done to me. I mean, it was like nothing had ever happened.
Jamie came to see me after having an accident. She had fell down the stairs. She was a beautiful young lady in high school, played softball, and was recovering from an injury in softball when she was on crutches and lost her balance, fell down the stairs, and took a brunt of the force to her mouth. Once we were able to get in and evaluate the situation closely, we knew that she needed a couple of root canals, we needed some crowns, just to tie everything back together and leave with teeth in her mouth without having to walk around with broken teeth and a gap in her smile.
My experience up here with, not just Dr. Collins, but all the doctors, it was amazing. Dr. Collins was not just my dentist at the time. I mean, imagine being your senior year and your teeth got knocked out. He was, kind of like a therapist almost. I mean, I would come in here a lot of times in tears, and I mean, it was bad. It was a bad experience. I just felt like home. Every single one of them would talk to me, not just about teeth, but just, life in general. So it was always very comforting.
Being able to provide a service for somebody that's in need such as this it's why I do what I do. It is the ability to have an impact in somebody's life that needs you in that moment is the things that get me up and get me going every day, is to be able to have that influence or that impact in somebody's life. So it's critically important for me to be able to do that.